Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to see Instagram private account posts. So to do that, head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, if you just search for any Instagram account that is currently private, you will not be able to see the card account because they are private. But if you just give them a follow request and they accept your follow request, then just you'll be able to know their uh, private account posts. And then there's another way, just go to the search section and here search for any area, like I'm searching for New York. And here go to places and now select a specific place. Suppose I'm selecting this place. And in here you will find all the posts that are posted with this places tag on their post. And yeah, from here you can see there are posts that have tagged this place. These might be private account posts too, but they are being seen just because they are tagged in this place, specific place. So yeah, this is how you could do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.